Hey, so if your Zoho dashboard feels a bit cluttered or just not that useful, yeah, customizing it can make a huge difference. In this guide, I'll show you how to personalize your Zoho dashboard step by step. All right, first, log into your Zoho account and open your dashboard. Now look for the Customize or Edit Dashboard option, usually at the top or corner, and click it. Here's where things get interesting. Click Add Widget to bring in charts, reports, or key metrics you actually care about. You can drag and drop widgets anywhere on the dashboard, so yeah, organize them in a way that makes sense for your workflow. Need more space? Just resize the widgets to highlight important data, like sales numbers or tasks. Click on a widget settings to change what data it shows, filters, date ranges, or specific reports. Once everything looks right, don't forget to hit Save, so your dashboard updates are applied. Now you've got a clean, personalized dashboard that shows exactly what you need, nothing more, nothing less. And yeah, that's it. A customized Zoho dashboard can seriously improve how you track your work and data every day.